Hello everyone, I'd like to show you the cheapest, simplest, free really, unless you need to buy Paint Father's Day craft. This is the painted hand print DIY Father's Day craft. Stick around and see how. This is the easiest and simplest DIY Father's Day craft. All we need is paint, paper, a mount, and in this case I'm still using a carton, and I've framed it with wrapping paper, and your kids' palm prints or hand prints. And you can also, this one is where you can surprise your husband if you want him to be in this, or the father of the kids if you want him to be in this one, because we need palm prints or hand prints from everyone. So I did this beforehand so that it would be dry with my kids and my family. So the blue one is my husband's, the yellow one is mine, the green one is my son, the pink one is my daughter. So we are saying we are yours and you're ours. That's what we're saying to the dad. And right now what we're going to do is just mount this. So you just find a way of putting paint on your hands. If you want to put it on a plate, put your palms down and put it on the paper, do that. If you want to paint it direct with a brush or a sponge onto the hands, do that. And this is so simple. And you can also just have the kids' palm prints or hand prints, and then you can present it to the father. Very, very, very simple. All you need is paper, place to mount it, and you don't even need to mount it. Colors and a glue stick if you're mounting it. And there it is. Our Paint Hand Print Father's Day DIY craft. And if you found value from this video, please subscribe and press the notification button so that you can get notified of our next video. And if you have not watched the others, on this channel we have 5 other crafts for Father's Day. Go watch, and I have 3 bonus crafts at the end where my kids and I made crafts for my husband. God bless you. Barakatele. Keep safe and keep crafting.